What's up, my friends? Welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a new How To Thursday episode. Today we're going to learn how to do up downs. This is going to be a leg workout. If you're ready to get right into it, I am. Go ahead and smash the thumbs up button, hit subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to need to go ahead and stand up nice and straight for this exercise. We're going to begin in a standing upright position. The first move is inhaling through your nose, engaging your abdomen, core is nice and tight, and we come down into what is a lunge. We're going to place our knee onto the ground, and then we're going to step up. We're going to start with our left leg coming down. We step up with our left leg. Next we go right leg down, right leg up. This is how we flow through the up downs. Let's go ahead and slow that down so that we can break down the moves. Again, we're going to need to stand up nice and straight. We're going to start here with a nice strong inhale through our nose, engaging our abdomen, and we're ready to begin. Left leg comes down, and we're going to bring a right knee down before we step back up with our left. We're breathing out through our mouth as we stand up, and we alternate legs. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. We come left leg down, left leg up, and we alternate. Right leg down, right leg up. If you need a variation for this exercise, go ahead and find a nice stable surface, such as a counter or a nice stable couch that you can use to help you anchor yourself as you perform this exercise. Just to make sure that you have assistance with your balance, hold on to that counter, inhale through your nose, come down, and step up. Don't forget to inhale through your nose as you come down. Exhale through your mouth as you come up. And we're alternating. Coming down with the right and up with the right before sending the left knee down and stepping up with our left leg. And that, my friends, is how we perform this up-down variation. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, got to learn something new. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and set up your bell for future notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.